Today we are creating giant rainbow roses out of Play-Doh. Grab these items and a plastic cup. Grab the Play-Doh. Give it a really good roll with the rolling pin. Until the Play-Doh looks like this. Take a plastic cup and make a circle. Take away the rest of the Play-Doh. Cut off extra bits. Perfect!
Wow!
Make 2 or 3 more circles of each color like this. Place circles in a row and roll them up. Just keep rolling. Rolling. While it looks great, just a few more things. Cut the circles in half with your Play-Doh knife. Cut carefully. Now take 1/2 and bend the layers to make a rose effect. It looks great. Now do the other half. Check out the bottom of this rose, so pretty. We are done. Now you can try it yourself.